Hello friends, here in this video I am explaining working principle, construction, application, advantage and disadvantage of water jet machining process. Let me start. That is, water jet machining is a mechanical energy based non-traditional machining process used to cut soft soft materials like rubber and foam to non-metallic materials like stones and marbles. It working principles. The working principle is it involves high velocity water jet, high velocity water jet to smoothly cut a soft workpiece. It is similar to abrasive jet machining process. In water jet machining, high velocity of water in water jet machining here high velocity of water is allowed to strike a workpiece. During this process, it is kinetic energy is converted to pressure energy. Kinetic energy which is converted into pressure energy. The stresses on the workpiece is high enough to remove the unwanted materials in the workpiece. And here the components are used in this water jet machining. Reservoir or tank, we can say this reservoir or tank, it is used for storing water. And pump, it pumps the water from reservoir. And here is intensifier, it pressurizes the water acquired from the pump. It is used to pressurize the water. And accumulator, the name itself which is accumulate the water, that is used to store temporarily the pressurized water which is sent from the intensifier. And control valve, it controls the direction and pressure of pressurized water. And next one is flow regulator, it is used to regulate the flow of water. And nozzle, the pressurized water which comes from flow regulator, which is used to convert as high velocity of water. And the high velocity of water which is used to remove some of the material from the workpiece. And the advantages of water jet machining is it is a faster process compared to the abrasive jet machining process. And normally the abrasive and other kind of machining process are induced heat in workpiece, because abrasive particles strikes at high velocity means it induces some heat affected in workpiece. Here that heat affected zones on the workpiece is not formed because of uh, it prevents here water is used, so here heat uh, affected zones is not there in workpiece. Water jet machining has excellent precision because uh, tolerance of the order is plus or minus 0.005 inches. It has a great precision. It does not produce any hazardous gas because here water is used, so it does not produce any hazardous gas, and it is environment friendly. Here water only used, so it is environment friendly. And what are the disadvantages of this process? Disadvantages are soft materials like uh, foam or rubber only machined by using this water jet machining, and cannot be used for thick thin materials, and initial investment is high. These are the main disadvantage of this water jet machining. And applications of water jet machining are: it is used to cut thin non-metallic sheets. That is, non-metallic sheets means we can say that is mica, graphite sheet, these kind of sheets. And it is used to cut rubber, wood, ceramics, and many other soft materials. Already we discussed about it is used to cut rubber, foam, wood, ceramics, all those things. And it is used to machining circuit boards, and it is used in food industry applications. Thank you.